Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to add caption with AI in Kapwing. Kapwing is not just a video editor, it also has the AI powered auto captioning tool, and this means you do not have to manually type subtitles. Kapwing can automatically transcribe your video audio into captions in seconds, and you can then edit the caption, change the style and export your video. First open any of the web browser. In the top there's an address bar, type down kapwing.com and enter it. Over here you can simply create a new, or you can simply go to one of the draft as well. And at the left hand side, we can find there's an option for the subtitle. Click on the subtitle here. And over here, you'll see the option for the manually or adds auto subtitle over here in the top as well. Select the auto generate for the AI captions here and select the language that you prefer and select auto subtitle, and that is it. Kapwing support multiple languages. Select the language your video audio is in. And Kapwing AI will process the video and transcribe the audio into caption automatically. And that is it. This is how you can add the caption with AI in Kapwing. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. If you have any queries or confusion, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.